Hello. Okay. Good day, everyone. Um, Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. And do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of any trade with your broker before you put in your trade. Okay, and also let's move on to the live trades. Okay, let me just give me a minute. Okay, so with that, I think we proceed to our live trades. Okay, the key data that is going to be out tonight is Canadian employment change, which is at about 2130, and unemployment rate, and followed by US prelim UM consumer sentiment. Then, okay, the trade wise, because coming to the weekend, we don't want to hold too many trades. Okay, we have no orders filled so far, and we don't have any trade on hand. Okay, so on board. So all the trades are still working, and all the levels are still there. So I think with that, I think we move forward to start looking at gold. Okay, the gold is right now, this market is trading at 2690 half, and the high is 92, uh, and your current low, I mean your 360 low is just started. Okay, this is just started about 3 minutes back, and we have the 26900 as the low and trading near the low. So what we feel is we should not see the price moving above 2694 or 95, and we should see the 88 and 85 half break, then we should see the price moving lower. Okay, and in fact today we feel the market is a bit weak, and we should see the price moving lower. So let's start doing this gold. Okay, here, so we feel the price, we should be looking to short near 2691 with the stop 2694 half, and your TP, if your 83 breaks, 83 and 80 half breaks, we should see the price moving towards 76. Okay, 76. So I think let's key in these orders. Let's not waste time on this. This is the momentum trade. Okay, 2691 half selling, 26955 and 2676 half. Okay, expiry is we'll put it as 1 hour, because we are trying to enter the market near the market. So I think this should be a feasible trade. So let's while we are working on this, what we will do is we'll try to do all the checks needed for the trade. Then we can be working on this trade. Okay, just give me a minute. I also want to place this trade. Okay, so let's try to assess this trade, and let's analyze this to see whether this market is going and we
Life
can
signal.
do the thing. So here we okay, we look into this. Let's start one by one. So at least we can be. Let's start off with the trend control. Okay, the trend control, what this is telling us, or the trend identifier, what it's telling us is this market is on the 360. This is making lower high and lower low. And if we see that 80 half breaks, we should see 73. And on the other hand, if your 95 half breaks, 95 half breaks or 96 breaks, we should see the price moving towards 2710, or extension of this level, which is 2702 and 2705. So we have to get ourselves prepared on two aspects. Okay, one is, of course, the trend direction, or the trend identifier or trend control is telling us that we should be selling this below and holding sell below 2695. So if this, as long as this 2695 2696 holds, and we should see the price moving creeping lower, and we should be seeing the price testing 80 half. If it breaks, then we should see the price moving further lower towards 76 and 73, and this is what we are working on, and this is the direction which we are heading. But on the other hand, get ourselves prepared. If the 95 96 breaks, then we can see the price moving higher towards 2702 and 2705. So we have two different views, and most likely we want to stick to this direction, and we want to go in this direction. So next, the time control. This is also pointing down. Okay, this is also pointing down, so we should be looking to hold short, okay, on this time control. Then we come into the trade control. Okay, this is I would say, okay, from here extension, so chances are this is a bit choppy, and this is going to be a bit quiet until we see the price breaking this low 86 and breaking this high 93. So that means if 93 breaks, we see strength is expected, and if 86 breaks, then we see weakness is expected, and we see the price moving lower. Okay, so these are the two ways which we can trade. Okay, now we are trying to sell at 91 half, and right now is 89 20. And let's say we look into 1 minute. Yeah, 91 half 91 half is a good level to sell. I mean, of course, if we get it, then it will be fine. If not, then let's see, we can lower it. Okay, I think the most likely the 91 half is going to get filled. Uh, Let me see. Try to enter this. So this order is filled, and let's put a stop at 94 half. Okay, 94 half and 77 or 81. Okay, so we are already into the trade. Okay, we are already into the trade, and let's further discuss on this trade. Okay, so here, if we look
Trade order filled.
into the how shall I say, the price flow, or the price strength, the price strength or weakness. I think this is should be within this channel, and what we should be seeing is, we should see the price, even if it's moving, it should be below 96, and we should see this low breaking. Okay, if you see, we can break this low, then that would be a good sign for our trade, for a sell, and eventually I think it is expected to drop towards 73 eventually. Okay, so we will try to manage this trade, and we will just closely monitor this trade and see whether we are getting the price breaking lower. Okay, we should not be seeing the price higher. So if you look into your trade control, okay, your trade control, okay, we should not see the price going above. Okay, we should not see the price going above 93.80. So 93.80, 93.50, there is a strong resistance, because this is where the market is showing a polarity change. So we should be seeing the weakness. Let's see how this thing comes about, and if we are right, then we will manage this trade and see whether the price breaks the low. Okay, so now we are working on this trade. We are already into the trade, and let's see how this thing responds. Okay, now let's go into the yen, dollar yen. Okay, the dollar yen right now, this is trading at 152.50. Okay, the current high is 55, and current day high is 5355, and market is into the selling zone 15260. There is a resistance, strong resistance at 15285, and the strong support at 15170 and 15215. So these are the key levels we need to take note. Okay, that means we should not see the price, we should see the price 15215 breaks. If it breaks, then we can see 15170. Okay, let's see this trade. Okay, right now, if you look into our time control, we are seeing some strength, and we don't see, we don't expect the price to go above 15295. Okay, and as far as this 2 hours concerned, we should be trying to sell near 15275. Okay, 75. Okay, and let's see the price flow and the strength and weakness. So overall, I don't think we are seeing a big strength on this. So we'll try to sell at 15275 or 80, okay, and a stop at 15300. Then our TP, since this 152 15 has already made, so we'll try to exit at 152 30. Okay, so here this is again, this is a momentum call. So this is again a momentum call, and we want to sell at 15280, 305, 15230 as the stop loss. Okay, and this one, the expiry is, we will give at least another 1.5 hours to 2 hours, 1.5 hours to 2 hours. So this is until 23. Okay, so this is for dollar yen. Okay, as far as this
Life signal.
price uh, price flow is concerned, I don't think we are seeing much strength. Let me double check again. Let me share that. So we have seen a low, but I think we should see the price rejecting at 80 or 85. We don't expect much strength on this. And the time control, that means, you know, how long we can expect this strength. This is the most is another 40 minutes. So another 40 minutes we can expect this strength, and we should see the price turning from there or rejecting from there, and we should see the price coming off. Okay, so this is for the dollar yen. And let's see whether we have any other opportunity. We are seeing the euro dollar a weakness on the 15-minute and 120, but this is flat on the 360 and 720, but we are seeing weakness on the Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar, there is weakness. New Zealand dollar also there is weakness, and that is expected to last for another 2.5 hours, this weakness. So let's see whether we have any opportunity on Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar. We just let me check on the order. Okay, I think the orders are quite far. So these orders are quite far. So if we look into this Aussie, daily is expected to drop some more. But the only thing is, today buying is a bit risky. Okay, I think our gold we got stopped out. Okay, the gold moved up a bit. I think we already got stopped out. Uh, okay, gold. Okay, so we see here. I think this weakness is expected some more. Okay, we'll try maybe about 85. So this 65, 85, we can see. So now, right now, I think we can't do anything on this because we have already missed this move. So we are trying to get it cheaper, and of course, the 65, 85, 65, 65 should be your level, should be a level of entry. So, and we have plenty of time on this. So we have time on this, so we can wait on this. Okay, now let's see the gold. Okay, now we tried just now gold. I think we already got stopped out. So now the next level we need to look for is higher, 2702 or 2705. So these are the next two levels of entry we can look for. So we have to closely monitor this. Okay, 2702 and 2706. Okay, since we got stopped out, we will try to re-enter again. Okay, and let me see your time control. Yeah, 05. Okay. Okay, now we got to closely pay attention to this because sometimes it might be a failure. So the next few minutes is very critical, and what we will see is we will try to closely monitor. I mean, if it breaks this high, we can see at least 2699, or it might be a failure again. If it fails, then we may see the price coming off again. Okay, so as of now, I think we are stuck. We are stuck within this range, so there is nothing much we can do on this trade. Okay, hold on. I think our stop was 5.5. I think we are still into the trade. Yeah, we are still in the trade, and we have not stopped out. Okay, and we'll just see how this trade comes about. Okay, so wait for the time, either we break this level, it's going to higher, then maybe come down from 270205, or it may fail here and maybe the market may come lower again. But overall, this pattern, okay, this pattern we are seeing doesn't show strength. So this market can go, eventually it should come down and it should turn before 2704. So that's the only clue I have. So this market has to turn before 2704 or 07. Okay, if we are right. Okay, of course, that's the only clue I have. But as of now, I don't think we can do anything on this. So we got to be we have to be careful on this. Okay, so we just have to try to do a re-entry. Okay, now we get stopped out. So what we will do is, okay, I think we'll better we put a re-entry. Two 27055, 2795, and if this market makes that high, then your 279395 will become a support. So sorry, we'll exit at 2695. Okay, this one expiry is, we will give until 2330. Okay, so since we get
Trade stopped out.
since we already stopped out, so we are trying to do a re-entry, and of course the re-entry should be either, it may go higher than turn, or
Life signal.
it may fail here, then the market may come off. So if it makes higher, then we'll try to catch the move, then we closely monitor this trade, then we'll see how we can re-enter and get back that loss which we have incurred. Okay, so I think that's about it. Any questions or any markets you want to discuss? So if you have no, then have a great weekend. Then we'll try to do. So now we are trying to re-enter gold, and we are also trying to enter dollar yen. So these are the two trades which we are looking for. So if we are able to get it, of course, we can get back the loss and we'll be on track. Okay, thank you, and have a great weekend, and I'll see you again next week. Okay, thank you, bye.